The first set we did.
I came a long way from not having to have it. Then this money turned 3 young niggas to a 7.
A wide distance when you go up to what?
In all honesty now,
1 length of
our
pipe, right?
duty, you know, is supposed to connect the supply to give you the connection from the main.
But the pipe, oh, did they and then hurt cover it and like then left you and hurt.
So that's how when they if a owner come, because a couple of them we connect, you know, them see it exposed and them just connect up it.
Yeah, one day exposed.
Yeah.
One day is not exposed.
Yeah, but when I really, because if anything will happen over there, so now you're going to say we bust up the pipe. It's a free responsibility here, you know, look. Anyway, meter stop, a free responsibility. No, this me can't check now, so him can't pay for him.
You know, give him half a length of pipe or a length of pipe.
1 length.
You know, tap do that.
1 length then do.
We're supposed to give you a length, but if there's no need for a length, we now give a length. You know, honesty.
There's no extra pipe, we take it either.
No, we're not taking.
Eh, me see one of them I take out the mother pipe. It's like you put on peas and the extra and take it.
What do you try down here?
Come go look from the other water.
So what do you try down here?
Yeah, we push it further.
So we have to.
Third one I come. Go down the road. Why do you go down the road? To the man there. Who the man there?
It's fixed. But that way they drive coming?
No.
Because this is water, you know.
I go on the main
I
road.
hit go on the main road.
Oh yeah, me always see water over there, you know.
Yeah, man.
Good morning, TEAMISMASH. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. Today's course we are in the parish of Westmoreland, where in which we are trying to sort out some leakage issues, some lateral water commission, pass it over, sort of things. So let's come down here today to garner as much information for finalize on the report. That will take some action. So investigations that take place with everybody upon the side, then we are going to go back to regular schedule. So just I deal with this quick and fast. So guys, we finished the work we have to do for the day, and now back to one place up on bush place. We're going to deal with something else, then head in and call it a day. So guys, you can look a point. You can't say nothing. Can't say nothing. And then we can beat that truck there. Oh, I want to just pass it? Oh. See the down there someone, I draw jerks. Yeah, the day is so bright and pretty.
Come again. You think of 14, what you say?
14,
14. How much me say first class was?
11.
11 by 14. 11 by 14. The beam now. Look where the beam, my beam say. I'm going to put it back there. How much? So you have make the beam bigger than 8, you know?
Yeah, man, you'll be this 8.
Yeah, man. This stuff now, if you go up in it, it's a hook up.
No, honest, I concrete that time.
Oh, concrete, alright, cool. Alright. So you know when you make this stuff, you have to make it. Right?
See sunlight.
You get 1.5.
Whatever you want for the backside.
Is that the one you're doing?
Yeah.
You change your money.
The lip. What kind of lip?
You want to set so?
Can you make more money?
No, son. You want to set so? With your lip so. You know, now you have to get something sitting near long in a hit when you have gas.
You know, when you put the lip on it, how you use it?
It just come down, it means it just come down
Lata make it
back to you.
Double you put one lat in it and make it cash come down.
No man, you lip.
Found it. And dig right in that dirt, but I got that diamond. Pull up, make it hard if you want to. Go ride if you want to. Hold my tech on the side if you want to. Keep it real, please don't lie if you want to.
No.
One and Polly.
No, if you not done that, the bigger man with that sledge.
Feel ya.
Coming in. And this one is sub panel. The sub panel.
Okay.
And this is the main. Let's see what is it.
Water heater.
Water heater.
You can't take out that shit.
I know you're anti them, man. Everything off, everything off. Yeah, they're off. No,
No, man,
some of them.
This on. This on. This off.
Yeah, the one them is off.
Anything will come away from the center, so?
Yeah.
Off. Everything will.
Away from the center.
Yeah.
I wish I could have kicked out like a bulb or something to test it. Because I can't see nothing. So, TEAMISMASH, day 2 of this vlog. And as you can see, I'm going to check some electrical issues where this unit comprises of, and also plumbing, but I'm not check plumbing today. Just electrical. So, can't look a friend of mine for just look body and give me a rundown as I try to come up with a solid estimate for full restoration of this unit. Sorry for that look up on the screen a while ago. So take off my mask. I love the unit here. It look nice. The cladding nice. But some TLC needed to take place, and we'll go see if we can deduce it. Very tiny. Now we look a friendly here, so another one. Oh, this now nothing. Yeah, man, no fire. Run this one now with the laundry. And this have to go change the door. What is plug in? Can't fix?
Of course. I don't like you run out there.
I don't think you're it's broke up.
Just break up.
I wonder when it's a fee machine.
You know, say I forgot to change up all of them.
All of them?
What do you mean? From time to time, you just have a guy like one box. Can't come in one box.
Oh, okay.
And you go through. You can't put in back them one as soon as you can change and put in the regular one. Can you make the decor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They want now and have it clear. See other distribution.
Okay. Yeah, now I come home but half 560 amp. So what is in here? Change like panel 70 amp. Do you have a 60 amp? This have a 70 amp so. And this have to go back up so let come back on so. You can't have a 60 amp for the main for this. And have a 70 amp when you come here.
It's supposed to be out top.
You're right.
And reduce.
So if anything happens, short in anything, up this or triple F this.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Because that can bear less than that one.
So you're supposed to have like maybe like 150 amp on this and the 60 amp out. So this can take out.
Oh, I just switch me if you switch a breaker.
You mean for
This alone, carry that one up as a breaker
yeah,
itself.
you can switch around. Yeah.
Alright.
Look on it, shine light on it places. So let me see it for me. Reload and panel this man. Tell you, you can't get them in, brother.
You try about
What? If I know, you see, them are where, you say 16 where you couldn't get the parts, then how much money them want to charge.
I work doing it because it might get current from down.
When you come here, they tell you that one over there working, not these.
Yeah. But this a breaker look like you.
You see that?
Hold on. I'll try something.
Go on again. All of them connect the same. Try, I'll drop a lighter.
This 220 switches.
Light up. Stick.
Switch on.
You know, his stick.
Work.
I don't know. A 2 switch they normally come with though.
2 switch now, man. What do you mean 2 switch? You have some with 2 switch?
You have one thing where, like when they do on the AC, you have a pilot, but for you completely de-energize the line, you have another switch you use.
Not necessarily. If when the breaker come to the switch and then you pop the equipment, you can do it.
Oh, he wire them way, because that's a fish stove, right?
I would think so.
Stove going.
Still goes out here.
So probably something underneath here, so I can't touch it.
Some plug or something.
Unplug the right, but unplug supposed to do the little wire thingy.
Yeah, this will work.
At a fire.
Oh yes, in 220.
Yeah, that me I thought, like a wire thingy.
Current supposed to do that. It off there now. That means that I have to go change.
Sir. Yeah, rust out a little bit. Some TLC. Yeah. That did a fire, right?
Yeah, man.
Hey, far enough for not with the GFCI, right? And far from the water.
Well, you can change by the J5 breaker and change, you know.
Oh.
Just have to find the breaker which one of them and just take out that and put it in.
Okay, great.
With the J5 breaker, we have to tear it away.
Yeah, it have to go come in there, sir. Because it have to run a test and you have a little thingy.
It have to go near the neutral.
Okay. Because route I go where water there. Yeah, trees always search the water. So right now it probably dropped some stone down there as we speak.
This have to go pull. Okay, plumber coming up to pull.
Yeah. And it is very close to your house. Unless they dug this.
Now what you could have done? You could have taken out the brushwood tree and do one pick them.
Yeah.
But you have to get man to dig you out.
Yep. Which in a part, a critical part. As I say, I just want to look down here so and see what things there. Plumbing there go a little bit more nasty than today. You know, because as I can see the bathrooms and kind of stay away. But yeah. In terms of electrical, kind of in a good order. You know, when I get to check those.
Not bad. Any little thing that they can.
So guys, I have good news for myself and everybody. Say the electrical part of the house in a good order. So as soon as possible, I'm gonna say I can get in. I said I can get in the plumber and then I look upon structure with somebody. And then we'll see how best we can go about coming up with an idea, a good estimate on how much money needed to be spent on this house. Team Ismash, you guys have been with me for the longest while now. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. And as I say, if I'm overseas and I want anybody out here like myself, look at any unit out here, any property, anything like that, I am at your service. I can help you out with that. I can help you out with anything in regards to residential construction. Yeah, just link me. We'll get the thing done. We'll get the thing started. We're giving an update. What we do? Giving an update. So yeah, Team Ismash, we're gonna hold a little trim. And I come up on the other side to it as my engineer come on this side. And I recommend something, so I go hear what I say. No, he already come and gone. So I go get the information the right way and look on it and sort out things. So yeah, Team Ismash. Soon. The next clip. Team, it don't even make sense. I did that Kingston today. Casting is going, but the rain stop it. And I really want to show you casting. I don't know how far in there, but we're late. That truck here stuck here for tonight. So hopefully tomorrow I can't get for sure no walk one. I'm tired, we have to run out. But this is important. We'll come here early in the morning, come finish up. So soon in the morning I suppose.
No Boy, I got that to believe. Come see me make a change. No, I ain't a junior drain. Somebody I got dead. Found them, make me see me tears. Why me tears?
I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, and when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and light of me. It ain't over.
Serenity Hill. That's not the name of the place, but I name may I give it. Wow. Wow. You say hometown this?
Yeah. I'm there every holiday. Christmas, summer, Easter.
People. Everywhere around here, like the entire road, entire area, precipitous. I'm gonna look at building in a place. Don't know. Come around here and see all I fall them already. Yes, every yard I go and see fall them.
Yes, you can see over there.
Remember problem.
It's not cold yet, you know. This is normal breeze.
No, sir. I don't know why I'm always excited when I come, you know, a remote area like this. Pretty and cute, you know, but the next time I come up here, I'm gonna have my food.
That one looks so tiny. Look at his tail. Look like a big rat.
In the hills.
No.
Huh?
Mama asked the key of current.
That was so easy. The first, see why you're right in front of me. Oh boy. Come here. See that black van down there, so? Let's go wait for me down there. Get me? Big boss. You see black van down there, so? You look more militant. You see black van down there, so? Let's go wait for me. Alright? Give me about 15 minutes.
Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Damn. So guys, it's a whole entire new day. And it might be a new year for you guys. I don't know when this vlog is going to drop. But Merry Christmas. Season's greatest. Happy New Year's to everybody who's watching this video right now. Hope you guys are starting off your year with a bang, with a blast. If you haven't as yet, it will happen. I wish you the best this year. I wish you prosperity. I wish you happiness. Some of this outside, and may I say to myself, say, you know, so I never outro the vlog. So may I use this opportunity to outro the vlog and just give an update on the whole essence of this vlog. So we started off with the scheme. We went to the scheme because there was a leakage. I needed to find out what exactly was leaking, what caused the leakage, and if the leakage prior to our investigation was rectified. So we did that because to hand over a particular development or scheme, you have to hand it over at good order. It has to be accepted for like the road, the water supply and all of that, infrastructure. So we did that, went down there, do all of that. There will be no progress until all of that is rectified and everybody is satisfied. So the unit now we're in, which we did the electrical inspection. We finished the inspection for electrical. We went to find out if everything is in good order, which it is. And as you can see, me look a bad toy over there. So my machine, it is the pressure gauge machine in which I test. You pressure test the unit, and the unit came out at a pass. We did have to end up change a couple of things in our house, like the angle stops and things like that, because some of them were leaking. I would have to turn off a couple of valves for certain rooms, so we'd have to break it down to see if everywhere in good order. And you know, you have to test at certain PSI for where the pipe, the PVC then can manage, and also the faucet and mixers. I know we're back home just you know, cleaning up the truck. My truck due to a service and some new tires. The bad news is that I need 4 tires, so that is 20 times 4, that is $80,000. So guys, I'm gonna close out this vlog. Wanted to show you the casting of the slab on unit number 1, the apartment, but we'd have to run out God tone and we'll come back. Everything did basically done, so we're gonna go back up by that side. We need to go by site number 2 and check the progress. And yeah, we'll get ready for 2022. You guys, hope you guys are ready. Wishing you the best of luck, all them good stuff there. Team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. I am out.